Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest gadgets and gear. Today, we're diving into the world of protective cases with a focus on the MEIJIA portable all-weather waterproof camera case. This product isn't just any ordinary case. It's widely regarded as one of the best options for safeguarding your valuable equipment, whether it's a drone, camera, or even a pistol. Stick around as we explore what makes this case stand out from the crowd. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the MEIJIA portable all-weather waterproof camera case. Now, when it comes to protecting your gear from the elements, this case has you covered, literally. Crafted from high-quality polyethylene and an injection-molded construction, it offers full sides of protection to keep your beloved gadgets safe and sound. Whether you find yourself caught in a sudden downpour or out at sea, this case is built to withstand the toughest conditions. One of the standout features of this case is its customizable fit foam insert. Unlike some generic cases, the MEIJIA portable all-weather waterproof camera case comes packed with extremely well-padded foam that you can tailor to fit your specific equipment. This means no more worrying about your gear shifting around during transport. Everything stays snug and secure. In addition to its robust construction, this case also boasts reinforced stainless steel hardware for added strength and security. The latches are designed for easy opening, providing plenty of leverage to access your gear quickly and efficiently. Plus, with a high-quality pressure valve, you can rest assured that built-up air pressure is released while keeping water molecules out. And let's not forget about the waterproof O-ring seal, which ensures that dust and water stay far away from your valuables. Whether you're facing a light drizzle or a full submersion, this case has you covered. Now, let's talk dimensions and weight. The outside dimension of the case measures in at 15.98 by 12.99 by 6.85 inches, with an inside dimension of 14.62 by 10.18 by 6 inches. It weighs just 6.39 pounds with foam, making it easy to transport without sacrificing on protection. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a top-of-the-line protective case for your valuable equipment, look no further than the MEIJIA portable all-weather waterproof camera case. With its durable construction, customizable foam insert, and array of features designed to keep your gear safe in any situation, it's truly the best of the best. That wraps up our review of the MEIJIA portable all-weather waterproof camera case. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.